Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to locate, access and replace the mass airflow sensor on a Mercedes 2011 E250 with a 220 CDI engine. Okay, the mass airflow sensor is located underneath here. So first of all we'll remove the engine cover like so. Now this is the mass airflow sensor. So what we need to do now is to remove this trunking here, which has a locating tab there, and you can pull that off there and you can pull it off there. Take that trunking out. Then we'll undo this circuit, a Jubilee clip rather. Which is there. Now we want to undo this plug here, because it will stretch the wiring otherwise. So that clips off like so. Okay, and we'll also take out the connection to your mass airflow sensor. And this trunking here will pull off out of the way. Then we need a torque screwdriver or driver. Take off your two torque screws. One there, put it there, and there's one on this side. It's a little bit more difficult to get at, but you can do it. And if we move this out and around a bit. There we are. I use a magnet to retrieve the screw, otherwise you're likely to lose it. Down in the engine, which we don't want to do. Right, then it's a simple case of, I'll move this, oops. I'll loosen this off at the bottom here. I'll do with that other screwdriver. There we go. I'll loosen this one off at the bottom. Can we show around here? On the bottom of the trunking. Down there. Just loosen this one off. So it allows us to turn this trunking to the side. And then we can just pull the mass airflow sensor out. That one's out, that's the old one. And this is the new one going back in. Use the magnet again so we don't lose this one. I do make it tight, Mercedes. The pipe's jamming down here. So if we can get that out of the way without damaging it. Okay, screw your two torque bolts in on your new mass airflow sensor. Okay, bring the pipe back across. You can connect this one as you're doing it, which makes it a lot easier. It's like so. Okay, push that back on and your Jubilee clip back round. You'll tighten that up. Tighten the bottom one up. And you loosen the bottom one off to allow you to move this trunking around. Put your electrical connection back in. Put your trunking back in place. Put your locating pin back in. And then put your engine cover back on. And that's the job finished. Thank you for watching.